Good afternoon. Welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian, and I am with
Camilo. Hi.
It's been a while, Camilo. We work together for years, but he's so damn busy. I could finally get him today because this is his handiwork.
Correct.
Camilo, show us around this beautifully renovated Milla de Oro apartment. This one is in a great location. Camilo is going to tell us all about this renovation.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, hi guys. Nice to be able to be here again.
It's good to see you again.
Yeah. So we found this apartment for our client. It was totally original. This is probably a 30 to 35-year-old building.
Yeah.
Our client had the vision to buy it, and he trusted us with the process of making it look this good.
Yeah.
So
I just want to add to this story, just a second here, Camilo, that the client actually found me. We were getting on a plane going to Mexico, and he came up to me. He says, "Hey, you're the guy from YouTube, Ian from ExpatCrib." I'm like, "Yeah, that's me." He says, "Ian, I've been here for 10 days. I've had no help from anyone. I found an apartment on Instagram, and the guy won't return the calls." So we had our little sleuth, said I, go out and find this apartment that was on Instagram. She found it for us. We ended up selling it to him. We found the owner of the apartment. So we're really good at hunting. So if you guys ever look on Colombia Casa and you can't find an apartment or house that you're looking for, we can find it for you.
Exactly. Okay, perfect. So this is a 184-meter apartment.
Okay.
This is, how much would it be square feet? Like 200 almost? 200 square, 2,000.
Over 2,000
square feet. Yes,
exactly.
it's 10 point something, 10.76.
Okay.
So yes, we started the process since we found the apartment for our client. He loved it, but it was absolutely different. The kitchen had a wall here, obviously no island. Everything was super tight in. You know, you see this big space in the living room.
Yeah, and
used to be subdivided into dining room with a little short wall here, and then it had this super strange layout for a social area. We created this wall just to hide the air conditioning and also to create a pocket for the windows. And we actually enlarged the balcony. The balcony would also go up to here, this second window on the side of there.
That's right.
So, yeah, I mean...
If I can find any of the original photos, or if you have them,
I do.
We'll intersperse them in just to see how much this has been opened up.
You would not recognize it. Exactly. You would not recognize it because it definitely needed this. So, this is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom that is now 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, just because there was 2 bedrooms that had 2 independent bathrooms, but they were so tiny.
Right.
So we decided to continue leaving the apartment with 3 spaces, thinking of assigning the middle space to an office space that could also be a bedroom with a shared nice bathroom.
Let's go take a look.
Yep.
And just before we do, this is the social bathroom.
Social bathroom.
Right here, as you can see. Okay.
This area here has multiple potentials, but I would say this is designed for either office or TV area.
Yeah, you could use this as a separate space. Yeah.
Exactly. So this would be the guest bedroom or the second bedroom, which is now like a second master.
Right.
And this would be the bathroom. Check it out.
And what he did is he did a joint washroom. It goes through to that other room right there. Okay.
Exactly.
And then he actually put in really beautiful bathtubs. Okay. And 2 rain showers. And then you've got your
double sink as well. Yeah.
Double sink right here. And Camilo will come through
You
and
would
show us.
see, you should have seen, actually this door was there and these were two tiny bathrooms that did not make any sense.
Okay.
So I feel really happy how this turned out.
Right.
This would be the would-be office space. It's actually kind of a bedroom right now with a desk.
Right.
But I think the philosophy of the apartment is to kind of keep it versatile.
Okay. And you put aircon in every
Every
room.
bedroom has an air conditioning. We had to change, like you should have seen, we had to change all the wiring, create new
Yeah, I
fuse
remember
boxes,
when it was ripped apart.
all plumbing, everything is brand new. Windows, this has some level of soundproofing for the bedrooms.
It's actually very quiet here.
It is. And you should have seen how it was before.
Yeah, these are nice windows.
Yep.
I can't hear anything.
Yep. So I'm very happy with the outcome of this renovation.
It turned out really
because
well.
it really achieved what both the owner and us wanted to achieve.
Right.
The two bathrooms have now bathtubs, the double rain showers, and the double sinks. That would definitely not create an argument if two separate couples decided to rent it out.
No, it was definitely.
Any other two bedrooms would be more than comfortable.
Definitely enough space
Yes,
here.
yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so plenty of closet space. This would be the linen closet. We reutilized it, kind of gave it a second chance for the old woodwork and painted and scraped it and made it look nice. We did change all the baseboards, all the flooring, all the lighting, all the plumbing, as I said, aircon, all of that. So,
Okay.
yeah, this is...
You've done a fabulous job here.
Yeah, thank you. The kitchen, the lighting, we created a bunch of storage space that also looks nice, just like this.
Very
You never have too much space.
Exactly, yeah. And this place, as the owner said, he called me from Mexico today. He says, you need to see this place at night.
Yeah.
Because the lighting here is really nice.
It has different ambiances. Right now, everything is turned on, but you can kind of turn on layers of illumination.
Yeah.
So if you want to have, some kind of a romantic vibe here,
Yeah.
you can just turn off all the direct lighting and leave on all the LED on. It looks amazing.
Yeah.
I think
right out back here, we won't go back because the hired help is here right now.
Yeah, but there's an additional room there with another full bathroom.
Exactly.
We never really counted, but it would be a perfectly comfortable room for a guest for a couple of nights.
Absolutely.
Yes.
So, okay.
Yeah. Actually, the purpose of this place was for the owner to use it part-time of the year and then rent it out. The owner left for his country at this time, so it's currently available for rent.
Right.
So,
And I did another video, and I mentioned in the video that he's looking for a family or a couple to stay here. Very safe people. He doesn't want any problems, so he's negotiable on his price. We'll put the price at the end screen here, but this video is more about
the renovation process.
Yeah, about renovation. And Camilo, can you give us an update on the cost per square meter right now for apartments, renovations, and for the houses you're building? Camilo, how many projects do you have right now in Las Palmas?
We have 8 ongoing,
Yeah.
and 4 that will begin this semester.
That's why I never see him.
Yeah.
And the big house, we promise you, it's upcoming. There's been some...
It's taken so long that we want to make sure we show it to you in the right moment.
Exactly.
It's just very, very close, and believe me, it'll be worth it.
Yeah, we're
Yes.
a little bit behind on it, but there's really good reasons why. Again, I think there was a couple landslides up there that were all fixed, right? Not any fault of your own.
No, like living in a lot so huge demands great detail to landscaping, and it's been extremely challenging. and also the level of finishes and materials that are being used for the house take a little bit of time.
Yeah.
So it is definitely going to be worth it.
Yeah.
Stay tuned, as they say.
Okay.
Well, what the purpose of the video, if you want to make a renovation, it'll all come down to obviously the age of your building, because, or the property, because as you know, the things that you don't see, sometimes you can use when they are not as old, but when you're going to do something entirely different, you don't want to, cheap out on, rewiring, redoing plumbing, making sure everything works properly, and it'll definitely be a little bit more expensive.
Right.
If I was to create a range, depending on the level, I would say it's going to range between $400 and $600 per square meter.
Square meter right now.
Yes.
Okay.
You can do the math on the square foot. It's just
Exactly.
not my strong suit.
That's an older building, and that's basically rewiring it totally, doing the plumbing, everything?
Rewiring, redoing the plumbing. We created additional circuits, create new fuse boxes, all the lighting.
And you're better off to do that than doing a Band-Aid renovation, because in the future, these pipes here they originally put in were small. We put in bigger pipes.
I know a ton of people that just want to, do a little makeup on the apartments, mostly when you're in the flipping business and stuff.
All right.
But when you really want to get it right, and when you want to create value on the property, not only looks, but also for the apartment to actually work as a new apartment would, this is the best move you can make.
Right.
Honestly, like if you look up the market prices for an older apartment, you can get more than a comfortable cushion to make a renovation and still make plenty of money on the appreciation, getting it right.
Right. Okay.
So you should definitely consider, if you're looking to invest, looking for a fixer-up, I know sometimes you want something turnkey, you don't want to get involved, contractors, deadlines, blah, blah, blah. I know it could be a headache, but I would say from the financial and final product point of view, is definitely worth it. I encourage you to go check out brand new apartments getting done in Medellin, and they come nowhere near to the level of finishes that you have and that you can achieve in a renovation project with less money.
Right,
So,
and you're going to get more space because these older apartments are so much bigger.
of course, but
Exactly.
that comes from the principle of the square meter price.
Exactly.
When the market grows, the square meter price goes up.
It's true.
Power of acquisition it's limited.
Right.
So the developers make smaller spaces so people can afford them.
Right.
It's all about price point and capacity, right? So you can allow yourself to a bigger space, get more value, and make it look better. I think it's a win from every perspective.
And we've got clients, even like today, in the last few weeks, we've been getting clients who have looked at some of the apartments that I featured on the channel that are sold. Again, they sold pretty quickly. Again, some of them were not our listings, but the people really liked them, like the one in San Lucas. But Camilo was telling me today, because we got another call on that apartment that was sold, we have some apartments with a really good footprint, really good bones here, that we can get for a decent price and then fix it up to make it look like those apartments that were featured on the channel. So
Exactly.
So if you guys are looking for something, we can find it for you and do the renovation. And in a few weeks from now, I think you're going to have some houses to show us, right? Other places?
Absolutely. We have very interesting stuff to show.
Okay.
I do not want to get ahead of myself, but please wait till you see what we're doing.
Stay tuned. This is the year where Camilo is going to have quite a few houses finished.
Yep.
At least 3 or 4, I think, this year.
Yep.
And then we'll be moving on to some other ones. But we'll be showing you those on the channel very soon. But we really wanted to show you this apartment that Camilo just finished. So anything else to add next little while?
Not really. Contact us, come and look at the options. I am not only saying it to hire me to do a renovation, but do consider. I think ultimately anybody buying property in a different country is an investor. And from the investment point of view, it's definitely something to evaluate, to buy something older and fixing it up.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah, or something that is already fixed up and older, and you know, that person that is going to flip it is going to make a little bit of money. But it would also be a good option if you're looking to make an investment that makes sense.
Yeah. So yeah, I stand by this guy. I've been working with him for 6 years. He's never let me down. Knock on wood. He's knocking on wood for me too. But yeah, no, we get along really well, and he's really looked after our clients. So if you guys are coming here and you're looking for an investment, we actually have a couple people right now that are looking to invest, and Camilo's consulting with them. So if you need some help, Camilo's the guy that can help you out. So
absolutely.
So yeah,
absolutely.
Camilo, thank you so much again for showing us this finished apartment. And again, if anyone has any questions, they can contact us at expatcrib.com/contact, and I will put you in touch with Camilo. And Camilo is in charge of colombiacasa.com, which is the site that we started together. We have listings on that site too. So I'll put all that in the description. Camilo, thank you very much.
All right, thank you, and thank you guys.
Okay, and we'll see you in the next video.